Hello everyone. Are you torn between ClickUp and Notion for organizing your tasks or managing your projects? These two tools are power These two tools are powerful but serve slightly different purposes. Today we will compare their main features, pricing, and use cases to help you decide which one fits your needs best. So now let's dive in. ClickUp is designed for teams and individuals managing multiple complex projects. Its interface offers numerous tools like time tracking, calendars, and dashboards. But it can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. Notion, on the other hand, shines with its clean and minimalist design. It is more intuitive and perfect for creating custom setups like task boards, generals, or knowledge bases. Notion is highly flexible and allows you to build anything from scratch, like databases, templates, or even wikis. However, ClickUp takes the lead in advanced features for project management, such as task dependencies, workload views, and automation. For business or teams, ClickUp's depth might be worth it, while Notion suits individuals or smaller teams. Now, both platforms offer free plans. Notion's free plan is great for personal use with unlimited pages and blocks, while ClickUp's free plan includes task management tools but has limitations on advanced features. For premium plans, ClickUp starts at $5 per user per month, making it more affordable for teams. Notion's personal pro plan starts at $8 per month, ideal for solo users looking for more advanced tools. So, to summarize this, Notion is perfect for personal organization and creativity, while ClickUp is better suited for businesses and team collaboration. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.